Unboxing time. I know what this is, but you don't. So it's exciting. It's exciting for me because I know what it is, and it's exciting for you because you don't. So shall I get on with it? Okay, here we have a box. It's not come from the UK. It's got a special DHL sticker on it, and I know it's not come from the UK. Let's try and open it in front of you. Oh, okay, so let's go like this now. Oh dear. I'm struggling. I've got some scissors here. So I'm just going to cut. Try not to cut bits and pieces of myself off. Okay. There we have it, some orangey yellow tissue. And then, oh, the clue is kind of right here now. Oh wow, there's all sorts in here. So we have a parcel from Sven. So SP Parfums, Sven Pritzkalate has sent a parcel. And it says, Dear Claire and Dan, so it's to me and Mr. Smelly. Enjoy the scents of SP and the sense of spring. Kind regards, Sven. So that's really nice. He's written us a little note, and I'm going to see what's in the box. So we've got some information about the fragrances here and here. Suntan Glam, Lisbon Blues and Funfair information on there. I'm already a massive fan of Suntan Glam. Wow. Sorry, I should actually show you, shouldn't I? So we've got all of this. Oh my goodness. So Sven did tell me he was sending me powder and dust. So when my travel atomizer ran out when I was on holiday, I filmed the fact that I was wearing it every single night, and at the end I used the travel atomizer up, and Sven got in touch and said, oh, thank you for the review, and I see your travel atomizer is empty, I'm sending you a full bottle. So I was so happy because I was 100% going to buy a full bottle. I love it so much, powder and dust. I'm just trying to open up the bottle, the box. I really love this one, and I've told several people I'm getting a bottle of that very soon. It was the next thing on my to buy list. So to actually be gifted a bottle, I appreciate so much, and a massive thank you to Sven because I love it. I really love it. I'm just trying to get into the box for you. So the box looks like this. It's very natural looking, very kind of earthy and environmentally friendly feel to it. Oh, okay, here we go. It's wrapped up in some tissue. And let's see what the bottle looks like. Here we go. So there we have it, powder and dust, the full bottle. Oh, wow. So the way this comes out of the atomizer is perfect for this kind of scent. And what I mean by that is this is an extract parfum. It's very strong, and you don't want a big blast, a big wet patch here. And what this does is it spreads it out widely. So one spray here spreads it a thin smattering all here. It's a perfect sprayer for this kind of fragrance. So powder and dust is springtime in a bottle. It really is. It smells like yellow flowers, kind of honeyed and pollinated, and there's this gorgeous pear note. Beautiful rich full-bodied pear. It's a bit powdery, but it's not as powdery as you might expect. It is just stunning. It is so amazing. But we've got more stuff here, so let's carry on. So we have a travel atomizer of Suntan Glam. I have reviewed this one before. I'm not sure if Dan's got one of these, so I've got one of these, so this will be for Dan. He really enjoys Suntan Glam as well. A gorgeous, kind of, it is a bit like sunscreen, but it's also got this slightly animalic edge. It's a bit like, I don't want to be too dirty, but it's a bit like you've been baking in the sun all day with the most beautiful smelling suntan lotion all over you, and then you've sneaked off with your beloved to the sand dunes and done what you really felt like doing. It's kind of got that naughty, musky, slightly dirty edge to it, but it makes it so interesting and stands way apart from all those other suntan lotion fragrances, which can be too sweet. Suntan Glam's got a really great smokiness about it as well. Oh, we've got some extra powder and dust. There's another travel size atomizer. Wow, that's brilliant. We're never going to run out, so obviously I'll be sharing with Dan because I know he enjoys this too. And we've got more in here. So he sent us some of his perfume blotters, which is fabulous. And it looks like we've got some samples. So I will show you what we've got. So ST Parfums, they've got their own website based in Germany. You can get samples, travel sizes, and of course full bottles. The prices are a little high, but I really genuinely believe you get what you pay for here. You get a really strong product, and the ones that I'm in love with, I am absolutely over the hill. Over the hill? I know what I'm trying to say. I am head over heels in love with Powder and Dust and Suntan Glam. So what we've got here, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to mention this one yet. Sounds a bit, I'm not trying to be a drama queen, but last time Sven got in touch, he sent us a travel size of a perfume that he's got on an exhibition, and he said we couldn't talk about it just yet. So I'll check before I mention this particular one, but it's a very interesting piece, shall we say, very artistic. Okay, so we've got a discovery kit here, and let's see what's in here. Okay, we've got a good selection of samples. I won't go through them all because there's so many, but I'll just mention a couple. Civet Intense, Dark Rose, Lignum Vitae Forte, that's the one that Dan really loves. Dan, aka Mr. Smelly, I'm sure you know who I mean. And there's more, there's more. I think what I'm going to do, because some of these are duplicates, so Sven's sent some of these things before, I think I'm going to have a chat with Dan, and maybe we can do a little giveaway of a few bits and pieces so that you can have the opportunity to try some of these things out. So just unwrapping more stuff here. So we've got some, so we've got the ingredients, interestingly enough. So that's ingredients of what's in here. I'm just trying to, I was going to try and unwrap it elegantly, but I failed. So we've got in this little packet here, we've got Cassis, which is one of the Christmas fragrances. Lemon and orange sorbet, which is a really nice, fresh, slightly gourmandish fragrance. Funfair, which is to me a very dark gourmand. It's kind of it's not what I expected. Funfair, I think if you like things on the darker side, you might enjoy that. Lisbon Blues to me smells a lot like cannabis, and Suntan Glam again. So we've definitely got some duplicates here, so I'd really like to share some of these with you guys. So I think we'll probably do that on Dan's channel, on our frag chat with Smelly and Smurfy. And then we've got more samples here, which is Discovery Kit Fresh. And in here we've got Licorice Vetiver. So this is another one I think Dan likes, for a more masculine one. Green tea, white blossom powder, some milk flowers, which is a very nice exotic floral, and pink patchouli, which is one that Jana Tom Elise really loves. So that's all of the perfumes, and we've also got some more information in here about the perfumes and about Sven himself. So I think I've gone on far too long. Please watch Frag Chat with Smelly and Smurfy. In the near future, we'll definitely be putting together a package that we can give away. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Sven. I think I love you. I am just so happy to have that. I can't tell you. That's all. Thank you, people. Catch you soon.